Hey friends, it's Miss Johnson. Let's get started on our reading lesson today. Today we're going to be talking about main topic and key details. So we've learned this year that when we're reading a passage, it's really important that we're focusing on what the main topic of that passage is. The author always has a purpose for writing these stories for us or these passages for us. Now we remember that one clue that we can use are some words that we see in our passage more than one time. If the author uses a word more than one time in a passage, it's probably pretty important and it can give us some clues about what the main topic is. So today I'm going to be reading this passage, Getting Ready. It's about tornadoes, and we're going to figure out the main topic and two key details that support that main topic. I'm really going to be looking for those clue words that I see over and over again in the passage to help me figure it out. Okay, here we go. Getting ready. Tornadoes can be very dangerous. They can cause a lot of damage. It is important to try to stay safe during a tornado. The news will tell people if a tornado is coming or not. They use radar to track any close tornadoes. If a tornado is coming, people should try to be safe. One way to be safe during a tornado is to get into a basement or a room with no windows. People should also try to hide under heavy furniture. This is to hide from any objects that are falling. Okay, so I'm thinking about my passage and I really want to figure out the main topic or what it was mostly about. I'm not just going to use one word and say tornadoes because, yeah, it was about tornadoes, but that doesn't really tell me the whole reason the author wrote this passage. So I'm thinking I saw tornadoes very many times, so I think that's going to be in my main topic for sure. I saw the words dangerous and damage. Ooh, so I'm thinking it might be something about how tornadoes can be dangerous. I also saw the word safe very many times. I saw stay safe during a tornado. People should try to be safe. One way to be safe. Ooh, so I'm thinking this passage was about tornadoes can be dangerous, but we can do things to stay safe. Okay, I feel good that that is what my passage was mostly about. The author was telling us that tornadoes can be dangerous, but there are some things that we can do to stay safe from tornadoes. Now I want to think about two key details or reasons the author gives about ways that we can stay safe during tornadoes. So I'm looking here, and I remember he said, one way to be safe during a tornado is to get into a basement or a room with no windows. Hey, that's a perfect way to stay safe during a tornado. I want to highlight this part yellow because I know that's one of my key details here. Now I'm looking for one other way that we can stay safe during a tornado. Let's see. Ooh, people should also try to hide under heavy furniture. Hey, that's another key detail. I'm going to highlight this in a different color so I can know that they're two different key details. Do both of these key details support my main topic? Let's go back and check one more time. What was my main topic? Tornadoes can be dangerous, but we can do things to stay safe. Did I highlight two different ways that we can stay safe during dangerous tornadoes? Yes, I did. One way was that we can get into a basement or a room with no windows, and another way was that we can hide under heavy furniture if we need to. That's only if a tornado gets really bad, right? Okay, I think you guys are going to do so great today. Your passage is going to be about oceans, and I want you to look for specific words that are repeated to help you figure out the main topic, and then see if you can figure out two key details that support that main topic. Can't wait to see what you guys do. Good luck!